Right, well, as you can see, we're back on. We've driven down to the other end of the lake a little bit more now, where the classic shot's taken for over this direction with the row of trees, the Buttermere trees, absolutely stunning. But this is catching my eye. I really like this, and the lights just come over the top of the hills behind us now, so it's lighting up all the side of this bank. So I'm getting these lovely golden colours on the grasses down here. But what caught my eye is that river. The waterfall river flows running down. I'm just going to take a shot now because the light on that is absolutely astonishing, absolutely stunning. That is. The polarizer's full on because I'm trying to get the reflection, so I don't want to eliminate the reflection, or should I say the polarizer's full off. I've got the polarizer set for the sky basically. I'm going to take another one, but the light's just dropped off a little bit now. I shot a horizontal shot and a vertical because I like them both, and I like the way that the clouds just wisping over the top of that now. It's really quite a stunning shot, and I need to walk my way around that way, and I need to get myself a shot looking down towards the Buttermere trees. But yeah, all in all, this is going to be a cracking little morning. It really is. Right, so that's that one done. Let's move out of the way and get going that way. Did you get the light just now? Yeah. Well, I found Mrs. C and Mrs. O. Mrs. O, Mr. O. They're down there. Look, I've been down there taking a nice picture. Look what they've got. A nice fence, leading line and everything. So I'm not going to go down there and copy them. I'm going to leave them, let them have that one. I want to head round a bit further, to be honest. But this is a stunning morning. Really nice. The reflections are just going off in places a little bit. But the clouds up there, the way they're rolling over the top, are beautiful. I can stand and watch them all day. So while walking along, I've just noticed this in front of me, and I'll spin you around so you can have a look at it. See this tree there? That tree there and the reflection there is absolutely stunning when the light catches it, and it's against this dark background there, which is really quite nice. And I like the little fence there, which is reflecting the light, which is coming from that direction. And there's a little tiny boat just there. So that's my plan. See if I can zoom in on it a bit. Oh no, that's as far as it is. So that's the plan. That's the shot there. Get the big lens on and just get that. Right, so how to execute this shot. Plan is I was going to put the big lens on, but at 55mm it's about right. I've got the tree on the second thirds, but I'm going to I'm going to crop this down to a square crop anyway. I'm going to focus on the tree. I'm going to F11, but I'm going to knock that back. I think I'm going to wind it down a little bit shallower to maybe 5-6, to just try and lose the background a little bit. And I'm going to underexpose it. I'll put my histogram on, and I'm just going to underexpose it to try and make the background a little bit darker. That's better, that's quite nice. And I'm going to check the polarizer to make sure that I've got full reflection. I'm going to put my 2-second timer on, and then I'm going to hit that. This will end up a square crop probably. I may actually change the lens. I might put the longer lens on, but I don't think I need to. I think that's nice enough as it is. 55mm. I think we are okay for that. I'm just going to check my images. Yeah, I quite like that. I think that's quite nice. That's a nice simple little shot just to that little tree. So that's another one done. And I'm still heading that direction. If I can get down a little bit closer and look at the tree in a different way, but from being high, the tree's actually in between all those, the low lying trees, so it works quite nicely. But that's just walking along, spotted it, stop, got to take a photograph. So yeah, that's another one to the book. Okay, so what I thought was a little white boat from over there is in fact just an old white pipe. So that's getting cloned out of the image. We ain't having that in there, are we? So yeah, I thought it was a boat from over on the bank, so how crazy am I? But the light over there now, look at the light catching the top of that. There's got to be a photograph of this just as it is. But it's just easy. It's so easy to take photographs in these sort of conditions. Absolutely stunning. But there is a little bit of wind now coming across the lake, which is just causing a bit of a ripple, so you're just losing the reflections now. But all in all, I don't really care. Morning. It's just so nice being out in it and taking photographs. And that tree in front has probably been shot as well, loads and loads. But I think I'm going to stand on this little bit of an edge here, right next to this calm reflection, and take a shot of this, just leading you through up to that with a little snow peak at the top there, and the light coming down the side when it pops out between the clouds. But the trees there, you've got this little bit of foreground rock down here. Just a nice, simple postcard image. As you can see by the sun burning the retinas, it's cleared the clouds now and it's really, really, really bright. So yeah, I'm looking really gorgeous. And Owen and Denise are caught up with us as well. But yeah, look at the tree now. Look at the way that is standing out against that black background, and the light hitting the side of the shoreline here, running you through. Vertical shot. I think it's got to be vertical. It's got to lead you all the way down. I think it leads you all the way through this little line. I've got the line right down in the bottom left-hand corner, leading you all the way through the image. Sun's reflecting against the fence, which is quite nice. And then you've got that little snow at the top there and a few wispy clouds coming over. The polarizer is working an absolute treat because the light's that side, 90 degrees to the polarizer, which is absolutely perfect for polarization. This may actually work as a square crop as well, possibly, but I actually quite like it. There's some reflection in the bottom. There's a big chunk at the bottom with reflection, but somewhere you can put some notes in the bottom, I think, as well. I'm going to try moving over just slightly, just to see if I can get a slightly different angle on it. But I don't think I can get it, and I'm not so sure, but I don't really think it'll work as a horizontal, because by turning the camera that way, it loses this line coming through. So yeah, that's that one done. I'm going to do probably one more, and by then this will be a long video, so yeah, we'll cut it after the next shot. Well, as you can see, the sun's come back out, and I think our time at Buttermere is finished. The day's getting on a little bit, so the sun's getting a bit higher. Even though at this time of year it's still quite low in the sky. My last image, what did I do? Well, I set it up on this little shoreline area, and I've got some shore grey, grey, whatever this is, slate shore leading out, and I had a nice little reflection over there just now with a little stream leading up, and a nice little reflection of the trees on that side as well. So I've just taken my last image there. I didn't really talk you through it because it was really nothing quite, to write home about, but it's just one more, just while we're here, just before we finish off. So really, we haven't shook this guy. He's been here all morning, chasing us around. We've been walking in each other's wake, I think. So yeah, it was nice meeting someone new, another subscriber. Obviously, he follows Denise, and I was just with her, so that's a bonus. But yeah, not a bad morning. Really enjoyed myself this morning. So I'm going to sign out now, say thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Don't forget, notification, hit the bell in the corner for notifications. You'll see more videos coming up. Plus, all the links are below for the gear I use, workshops and stuff like that as well. I might as well mention them. So yeah, till next time, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm sure the wife's going to say goodbye this time. Bye. And Mr. Rose sucking up the light. So yeah, till next time. Ciao.
No, it's not. You have to go back.